okay, through here, and we're going to leave this opening, but we're going to be closing this door in. So this used to be a bedroom. So we're going to close that doorway in. And this will then be your hallway. Let me see if I can. And you can notice here, big hole in the floor from the original heater system that was here. Now they're using it for an intake for the air conditioner. That's going to have to be fixed and moved. You can see all of our, we have a lot of doors in this area, so we're going to have to figure out what to do with them. And they're all sticking because you can see at the top here, all of these are a little out of whack, out of level, and so they kind of stick. So we'll first come into the wonderful master bedroom. And again, a lot of naughty pie. Floor to ceiling, naughty pie. So we may replace the walls with drywall and leave the ceiling painted white, but for now I think we're going to just start by just painting everything. We got to prime everything and then paint this and get it a nice bright white because it is very dark in here. The other thing is these are very old original windows, and this is the only light that you get, the natural light, into this room. So these may have to be deleted and moved, but okay, are we adding up all the projects so far? Moving windows, moving doors, closing in doors, fixing doors that don't quite fit in the bathroom here. We'll show you the bathroom in a second. Here's Melissa's, we're using for an office at this point, and this was another bedroom, and not too much work to be done in here, maybe fixing up closets, painting. Okay, take a look at our bathroom. So from the forest house, all the work we did there, now we are in this kind of a bathroom, and I'll just turn on the fan and light for just a second because they're very loud. So to give you an idea of the old tile, the tiny shower, the original bathtub, and the old 1950s tile. So the only thing in this room we may keep is the tub, but everything else will be completely gutted and renovated. And we may just get rid of the shower or keep the tub and use this for a guest bathroom. But right now it's our master bathroom. Big project. Let's get through that. All right. Now, are we ready to go to the kids' rooms? Not this. Before, this was the porch again. So this connects the old part of the house to a newer addition that they probably did in the 1960s. And so you can see lots of paneling. Whether we're going to take all that down and drywall it, maybe paint it for a while until we get to that point, but a lot of this is going to go. And then we call this the shining hallway. So you know what I mean. Really dark, a ton of wallpaper. It's got the original attic fan here, which we're not using. We have this. Is there any light in here? This is the dark room. Yeah. This is Jacob's room. And you'll be able to notice very dark. He's only got this set of windows over here, and he's got all of this paneling. And the only paneling they painted it in this light sky blue color. So either we're going to paint this and then maybe remove all of it and drywall this room to brighten it up. And here's the kids' bathroom. So you have a Jack and Jill. It's a pretty good size overall. And I think we're going to leave this pretty much the way it is for now. This may be a project down the road. And they do have a nice separate toilet room and shower combo in there. So it's kind of nice for them. Love the flat doorways. And the other bedroom, this one has a lot more light. The only issue here is it has no air conditioning. So we're going to have to get a mini split and add that to this room. And all of this paneling, the windows are actually new, but these need to probably come out. Big closets, but just paneling. Okay. We have this closed off door, which needs to either be completely removed or have windows in this door. Here we have a nice big laundry room, so this good size. So we can use it for our washer and dryer. Our extra refrigerator fits in here, and then we're going to put up shelving all the way down the length of this. It's about 25 feet. So that's going to be really nice for a big pantry. We do have a sink, which we did replace when we moved in, and had to hook up PVC piping to galvanized piping here, but it's nice to have a sink. We haven't had one of these in a long time in the bathroom or in a laundry room. And then you notice the flooring. It's that luxury vinyl plank, similar to the flooring we put down in our basement. So this is really great stuff, especially for this room. Through here is what we call the sunroom, what I'm using for my office right now. This was probably a carport originally, which they closed in. It's really nice and bright. It has these huge windows, but they are very old and inefficient, so we're going to have to take these out. The idea right now, because this is such a large space and it's in the bedroom wing of the home, we're thinking of making this our master bedroom and bathroom and closets. So all of this we're using for storage and my office right now, but eventually this could be an entire master bedroom. So we have to think about plumbing and electrical and all of the parts and pieces that go into that, but this could be a great master. Okay, this is the only exit out of this. So this may be removed, and we may have a doorway going out to a porch over here. So I'll show you what's there now. It's Archer. So if we were to have this as the master here, there is now a work shed, which they probably use for a lawnmower, and I have crammed in all of the things I had in my great workshop at the last home into here. So it's not working out for me very well. But this here, we may put windows across the back here. There is a closet behind there, steal that space to add to the master, and then tear this out and make this a porch, like a back porch for the master bedroom. So it's got a lot of potential, really good bones. It's got a lot of space, but as you can see, a huge amount of work. All right, so maybe come around here. So here you can see this was just a lean-to add-on. So if we were to remove most of this and leave the roof, this could be a nice back porch right off the master bedroom. Then of course we're going to have to build a workshop on another part of the property. And if you want to look around, we have a lot of space to do that. We have just about an acre here, a nice flat space. Funny. We already have put in Melissa's vineyard, the mini vineyard, which we do at every home. We'll have a greenhouse going in pretty soon. And we can see we saved a lot of bricks from the front sidewalk there, and we're going to use that to create a fire pit. That's the area over there. We may do a workshop, build that one from scratch at some point. And let's look at one last thing here. This was the well. So right under here There's about a 30 or 40 foot well that we took down the brick surrounding it and the covering and created this deck. So it would be nice and covered and safe, and then it would be useful. So we have some plants and we have our basketball go on there. So just to give you a view of the back of the house, going into the kitchen, and we may put down some kind of decking to bring it all together with the master bedroom. All right, thanks for walking through our home with us today. And you can see we have a lot of projects to come, and we'll sure to update you as we go through them, give you all the pictures and highlights and details as we do that. See you soon.